Welcome to Heavy Machinery. Another day, another vlog. Before, back in time, people used to dig big wells to get the water from the ground. Needed a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of manpower. Well, nowadays that's not the case. Thanks to this heavy machinery and new technology, it made it very easy. Today we talk about this machine. It drilled 345 feet just in one day. So that means you can do a complete drill in just less than a whole day, less than one day. It took only 5 hours to dig till down to 345 feet, and it can go down to 600 feet. Well, that's amazing. After drilling, for this machine you need a generator for power supply. You can keep it outside, you can bring this machine, it can go through any alley to any house, very easy. All you need just a drill and these other supporting materials. Well, I don't know its exactly names, but I'm presenting the video. Well, sorry guys if the video is noisy. So as you guys can see, after drilling till 345 feet, according to the operator, so you see the water just start pouring out of these walls. That means the drill is completed. After drill completed, you can see this hole, and after this, you install these plastic pipes. So if you guys did like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And this video is directed and filmed by my father, Muhammad Jalil. So thanks for watching, stay safe, much love, and bye for now.